Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So how are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I'm going to share with you a most stunning and very pretty crochet sewing ideas for you guys. These are very unique and very amazing. Crochet ideas for you guys. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are very pretty and these are very amazing crochet sewing ideas for you guys. And if you want different other craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. I am glad to see you all. Follow for more details. Keep subscribing my channel. Keep watching my videos. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.